When working with assemblies in Lizzy, it really doesn't matter if you special order the assembly parts or the parts that make up the assembly, if you special order them on their own or if you do it through the assembly module. It really doesn't make any difference. The process basically requires that you have enough parts to build the required assemblies that you're trying to build. So it really makes no difference at all. In this video though, I'm going to show you how to build them and order them at the same time, because it is a little bit quicker to do it this way. So what we're going to do is we're in inventory assemblies and we're going to build an assembly. I'm going to type in the assembly number and we're going to choose the assembly that we're going to build. And right now you can see that we have enough of these to build 8 assemblies. So I could go in here and build 8 of these right now. So I'm going to build 10 instead. So I only have enough of these items to build 8, but I'm going to go ahead and tell it that I'm going to build 10. Even if you don't have enough to build even 1, you can still enter in the number that you want to build and click this button here to tell it to order the remaining items that you don't have. And the system will go out and place these items on purchase orders to get them ordered. Now, when they come in, there is you'll have the parts to come back in here and build. But if you're doing this manually, there's no reminder that you wanted to go build assemblies. Obviously, if you're doing special orders and those kind of things, which we'll get into in subsequent videos, you'll see how that works. But right now, I am just manually saying that, hey, I'm going to build up 8 of these. I would really like to have 10, so go ahead and place the orders for me for the remaining 2 items. So we're just going to go ahead and click the build assembly. And so what we see here is that the quantity built is 8, and then it says that the orders have been placed for the missing items, and it ordered enough to fill 2 more assemblies. Now, you'll also notice this note here that basically is telling you that it's possible that you have customers that are waiting on these assemblies to get built. In other words, we may have some special order customers that were waiting on those assemblies to actually get built. So it's reminding you at this point that you might want to go over to the pull from in stock list just to make sure that you don't have anybody waiting on these assemblies, because some of these 8 may need to go over to the special order list or to internet shipping to be able to get shipped out to customers. But as far as placing an order for kits that you don't have, that's probably the simplest way to do it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Right now there are 1 or more purchase orders that have the required items that are on that kit waiting to get ordered.